I think I got a good feed, man. What's going on, man? I got me a little setup, bro. As you can see, everybody in the iOS world, as far as you know, iPhones and Apple and specifically iPads, we all know that something really major happened this week. As far as like I said, as far as and I'm shooting this shit when I don't give a fuck if I fuck up. So nigga, y'all just gonna have to listen to this shit. But excuse me. But no man, listen. Bro, Logic is on the fucking iPads, bro. Bro, iPad has Logic Pro and I don't even much I don't even much know where to begin with this, man. All I know is that shit about to get scary. Cause this shit is really Logic. But anyway, let me shut the fuck up. I might just play a beat I made on here. That's the only reason why I came. Alright. The only reason why I shot this video is because I just can't believe that there's actually Logic on the iPad, bro. I got an iPad mini running Logic Pro on this bit, and I'm still trying to figure it out. It's a real extensive, beautiful DAW, and I'm just so happy to have this shit on my pad, bro. On my pad, man. But Apple, everybody tripping on you because you're charging that subscription, bro. Nigga paid a whole whatever for this, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. Whatever. Nigga paid a whole you dig. But anyway, I'm gonna play the beat right here, man. If you like the beat, I could probably go over how I made the beat in another video if, people want to see it. But I think I'm about to start just making straight Logic content, making iPad Logic content. So this is my first video. I know it's a little unorthodox, but hey, whatever. See how I do. Yeah, man. This shit crazy. It's like one of the first beats I made. I ain't gonna lie, the first couple beats I made were ass. But this was like one that I feel was, somewhat straight. But I'm really about to figure this thing out, man. But what you think about it, man? Let me know. I'm gonna be posting more. Like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And holla at your dog.